welcome back to my channel, Simply Subrena. I'm Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you are new here, definitely make sure you subscribe before you leave. Welcome back if you're not. So a lot of you guys have been asking about my heat training. How's it going? I haven't really been heat training. I've been experimenting with curly styles. I think this was like my last attempt at trying to embrace my natural, and we just gonna let it go. We gonna let it go. Okay. So I wanted to try out different straight hair care lines, but my first one, I wanted it to be an affordable line, a line that you can literally go out anywhere and get it. And I also wanted it to be a very quick wash day. So this routine, I have tested out a few products beforehand. At any time, I really just wanted to get in there, get my hair done, and be gone. I didn't want to commit to a full wash day. So it's super affordable. Literally everything I got is less than $25. It may even be less than $20, but we're gonna add tax and all of that. So this full straight hair routine is less than $25. You literally can get it anywhere: Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS, any drugstore. It's readily accessible to anyone. And the results are like, I mean, if I say so myself, honestly, through all this straight hair routine I have ever filmed on my channel, this has been the silkiest my hair has ever been, the flowiest, if that's even a word. It's probably not. Again, I will be testing out different straight hair lines. If there's a specific hair care line that you guys would love for me to try out, to demonstrate, definitely leave that down below. But we're just gonna go ahead and get into the tutorial so this intro is not too long. Okay, so today we are using the full Aussie line. A few of them are from different kinds, but we're using all Aussie products, and each product is literally between $3 to $5. It's not even $5, it's probably in the low $4, but very affordable. So jumping into the wash day, I did have a slick bun, so I had a lot of gel in my hair, so I'm saturating my hair. And when I'm actually washing my hair, I do use warm water to get off all the products, because for silky, straight, flowy hair, you want to make sure your hair is super clean. So to start out, I am going in with the Aussie Moist shampoo, and in mine does have a tablespoon of peppermint oil for extra stimulation and hair growth. But I really like this shampoo because it is a great clarifying shampoo and it doesn't strip your hair, or at least it doesn't strip mine. So I do go in there, and the first lather is really to just get out most of the gunk that's in my hair, all the gel, edge control, anything that's in my hair, and I focus mainly on my scalp to make sure that's clean, and then the rest will just wash out of my hair as I'm rinsing the water down. And I do shampoo my hair 2 times. After I'm done shampooing my hair, I am going to go in with the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist Deep Conditioner. And I absolutely love this because I don't have to go in and out of the shower. I can do all of this in the shower during my shower routine. So I apply this to my hair half section at a time, and I really make sure my hair is well coated, especially my ends. I make sure I get in there to get my roots everywhere. I want to make sure all of my hair has this deep conditioner on it. So I just apply this to half sections of my hair. I twist it up and get it up out of the way. After I apply the deep conditioner to my hair, I am then going to finish my shower routine, and I'm in the shower for about 10 minutes doing my thing in there. So it's sitting on my hair for more than 3 minutes, but the more time the better. We all know that when it comes to deep conditioning, and you want to get the most out of this. So after my shower routine, my hair is super soft. If you've ever tried Aussie, you know, like super soft, super soft. So I go ahead and I rinse out the deep conditioner out of my hair, and at this point I am starting to use cool water. I only use warm to hot water to cleanse my hair. When I'm conditioning or deep conditioning, I like to use cool, as cold as I can actually stand it, to rinse out the conditioner, because I want to keep as much moisture in my hair as possible. So to detangle, I am using the Aussie Moist conditioner, and this is amazing at detangling your hair. Like, you guys, I was so sleep on this product, but ever since I've discovered it, it's like I'm not looking back, okay? But I apply a generous amount to my hair, and then I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections, and then I use my shower comb to detangle. So I want to use this time to really get out as many knots as possible, because this is going to make the rest of my wash day a breeze. So I just fully detangle my hair, and it glides through so smooth. And then I'm just going to twist my hair up, and I'm going to do the same detangling method to all 4 sections of my hair. So for the last and final rinse, while I'm washing out that rinse out conditioner, I do use, again, cold water, as cold as I can stand it. And you will feel the difference in your hair if you shift from using warm water to rinse out your conditioners to cool water. Your hair is going to remain softer longer, I promise you. After I was done, I did put my hair up in a Turby twist. It's a microfiber towel. I love it because it dries your hair without drying out your hair. Your hair is very still soft and moisturized after, but it does take out a lot of the excess water. So I'm gonna go in with the Aussie Hair Insurance leave-in conditioner. I'm a sucker for leave-ins. I can't register not having leave-in in my hair after a wash day. But I love the fact that this was a liquid leave-in, so you know your hair wouldn't be weighed down. And I wanna spray it all through my hair to make sure my hair is well coated, but obviously not too much. And a lot of these lines are infused with like macadamia oil, apricot oil, all of that. Next, I go in with the Aussie Total Miracle Heat Protectant Spray, and of course, you got to use heat protectant, guys. And I mean, I didn't think anything too crazy of this. I really think all heat protectants perform the same way, to be honest, but I definitely got up in there with this because I do want to protect my hair as much as possible, because I am going to be using heat regularly on my hair. And last but not least, I'm going in with the Aussie Miracle Moist, and this is their intensive hydration oil. They had 3 different ones. I chose the hydration one over the others. It just looked more appetizing, I don't know. And I use only 1 pump because I have fine hair, and I use 1 pump for each section, for each side of my hair, so each half. And then I'm gonna go in and start to detangle. So for my detangling process, I like to detangle and section my hair in the sections that I'm going to blow dry. It just makes it easier, and it makes your whole process a lot faster. So I first go in with a wide tooth comb to detangle, and then I go in with the Carecrow Denman brush. I know I told y'all the Denman brush was canceled, and it is, but the Carecrow line, all of their tools are so amazing. Like, they're just so gentle on your hair. They don't rip out your hair. They don't cause any breakage. So I'm literally obsessed with them. I have 2 brushes from them, and by the time I look up, I'm pretty sure I probably own every single styling tool that they carry. But yeah, I'm just gonna use this same detangling method for all of my hair. So to blow dry my hair, if you've watched any of my other straight hair routines, I do the tension method first. So that's where you hold your hair taut and you go down the length of your hair with a blow dryer. I do have it on high heat, high speed, and I use this method until my hair is about 80 to 90% dry. And I do this because it helps cause less breakage and it's not as much tension when you're going through with the attachment. So I found it just made it a lot easier doing it this way. And then I will go in with the actual comb attachment to comb through my hair to actually really straighten it out. But for the most part, my hair is already dry, so it doesn't take that long and my hair is not breaking or struggling through this process. So this is my mane after everything is blow dried, and this is definitely the sleekest blow dry I've ever received ever in my life. Like, my hair is straight. It's not even as big because it's literally it's straight already. But I definitely love the results from the blow dry. My hair had a lot of movement just from being blow dry, which never happens. But all of these products were really lightweight on your hair, so if you feel like you struggle with your hair being really weighed down or being stiff, I think this line would be amazing for you. And again, it's really affordable, so even if it doesn't work, you shouldn't feel too bad because it's not too much money wasted. So the flat iron, I do flat iron my hair on 430 degrees, and I do use a chase method. So I go over my roots a couple times, and then I will use the fine tooth comb to do the chase method. And I only do about one pass. So you want to do about medium sized sections. If you do larger sections, you are going to have to do more passes to really make sure your hair gets straight. But I love the results I was getting. My hair was silked out just with one pass, you guys. I was really impressed, really impressed. So yeah, after I was done, I was like, the body, the movement, I loved it. My hair came out so good. This has been the best silk press I've ever done on myself. I loved my hair. I loved the shine. I loved the movement that it had. But if you're like me, then you're not really a big fan of your very first day hair straight hair. I'm never a big fan of the first day. So I did put one more pump of the Aussie hydration oil, and I'm actually going to wrap my hair to really set my hair. And I was going to an event tonight, so my hair was only wrapped for probably about 30 to 40 minutes. But you guys know, once you wrap your hair, it really sets it in. So I wrapped that up. I went ahead, I did my makeup, I got ready. For the look at that, look how it just falls down.
you guys don't understand like how happy I was. I was like, if no other routine works, I know this one works, and I know I have a fallback to go to if I'm ever out of town and for whatever reason I just need to do my hair. I know I can run to any store and I know I'm gonna have amazing salon-like results. So this is the result of my hair. My ends look a little crazy in here. I did go in after and actually trimmed my ends, but I absolutely love the results. Let me know what you guys think down below. And if you already use this whole line, like, sis, why you ain't tell nobody?
Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you want to see more straight hair tutorials featuring a full line of a single hair care line, because I personally don't like using a whole bunch of different products from different lines. Even when I was relaxed, if you've been with my channel, I used a full hair care line. I've always been into just full hair care lines. I feel like the products just work better together. So if there's any line you're interested in seeing, definitely let me know down below. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.